Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve a Google Drive error message that it was unable to process this video. And it says try one of the apps below to open or edit this item. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would recommend is make sure that you have an active and solid internet connection. If your internet connection is not really good or it's patchy at best, that could be part of the issue. Something else you'd want to take a look into as well, if you want to open up Chrome here, assuming you're using Chrome when you're coming across this problem, select the three-dotted icon at the top right, select More Tools, and select Clear Browsing Data. You want to select cached images and files as well as cookies and other site data. And for the time range, click on the drop-down and select All Time. Select Clear Data. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and relaunch the browser and see if that has resolved the problem. If you have any extensions as well, so if you open up Chrome and you go over to extensions, if you see anything in here that perhaps, could be interfering with Google Drive or it's a Google specific extension, you may want to consider disabling it or turning it off at least, and then see if that clears up the problem as well. So a couple of different things to take a look at. You may also want to consider re-uploading the file as well as just downloading it back to your computer and make sure it's playable and not corrupt. And the file itself may be too big as well. That's always a potential issue, that it's too large of a file in order for Google Drive to actually play it within Google Drive. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.